Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, and I'm really excited for this because I love onions. What are we making?
So, Lil, you know that dip that you always, like go to, and then it's all weird, that you feel like everybody's watching you, and you can't help yourself?
Yeah.
That's onion dip. We're gonna melt some butter, and then we're gonna caramelize the onions. This takes a while, because we wanna go low and slow. We want it to get a dark, deep, golden brown color.
Ooh.
So right there, I'm gonna stop the heat.
Smells good too.
Let me show you a little trick of the trade, how we cool it down quickly, okay?
Okay.
This goes right in, and what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna spread it, so the air will circulate, and it'll cool down quicker. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, some acid to cut that sugar,
Red wine vinegar.
garlic powder, onion powder, and see this stuff?
It's granulated onion.
Granulated onion. And now I'm gonna take sour cream. I'm gonna put that right on top, and then I'm just gonna whisk this together. We're gonna put a little bit more onion.
Now
We're talking, right?
Yes.
We're gonna fill this up in a bowl. The dip is pretty much done.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna garnish it with some more onion.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a shot, Lil. You think?
I'm gonna give it a shot too.
Go
Let's
for
do it. Oh, let's see. My jam right here. Right here.
There you go.
If you'd like to make this amazing dip, head to our website, news12.com. Try it. It's so good. Thanks.
Thank you, Lil.
Let's eat more.
Go for it.